video, we will see some more application of simultaneous linear equation, like age-related problem, boat and stream related problems. Firstly, we will see age-related problem. I have taken one question as an example. 4 years ago, Marina was 3 times old as her daughter. 6 years from now means after 6 years, the mother means Marina, will be twice as old as her daughter. Find their present ages. So we have to find their present ages. So we will suppose, let present age of mother be x years and present age of daughter be y years. Let us suppose present age of mother means Marina, be x years and present age of daughter be y years. So see the statement 4 years ago. So we will write heading 4 years ago. 4 years ago. What was the age 4 years ago of mother and daughter? So age of mother. What was the age 4 years ago of mother? Present age is x years. 4 years ago it was x minus 4 years. And age of daughter, what was the daughter's age 4 years ago? Present age is y, so 4 years ago it was y minus 4 years. Now we will see the statement 4 years ago Marina was 3 times old as her daughter. So Marina means mother, x minus 4, it was 3 times daughter's age. Y minus 4 is daughter's age, x minus 4 mother's age. Mother was 3 times daughter's age. So we will write the equation like this. X minus 4, open the bracket, 3y minus 12. Transpose 3y left side and minus 4 right side. Minus 12 plus 4. X minus 3y minus 12 plus 4 minus 8. It is equation number 1. Now we will make one more equation by the second statement. Next statement, 6 years from now. 6 years from now means after 6 years. So what will be age after 6 years? Age of mother. Present age of mother is x, so after 6 years it will be x plus 6 years. And age of daughter, y plus 6. Present age of daughter y, so after 6 years age will be y plus 6 years. So 6 years from now means after 6 years, mother will be twice, 2 times as old as her daughter. Mother age is x plus 6 and daughter y plus 6, but mother's age will be 2 times, twice the daughter's age. So we will write x plus 6 is equal to 2 into y plus 6. X plus 6, open the bracket, 2y plus 12. Transpose 2y, x minus 2y, 6 right side, so 12 minus 6, it will come 6. Equation number 2. When we will transpose 6 this side, it will be 12 minus 6, 12 minus 6 is 6. Now we will solve first and second equation to find the values of x and y. So how we will solve it? Equation 1 minus equation 2. Equation 1 minus equation 2. Equation 1 is x minus 3y is equal to minus 8. Second, x minus 2y is equal to 6. We will subtract it, so change the sign, minus, it is plus, minus. X minus x cancel, minus 3y plus 2y, we will get minus y. Minus 8 minus 6 minus 14. So what will be y? 14. So value of y is 14. Now we will put the value of y in equation number 1. Put y is equal to 14 in equation 1. So x minus 3y is equal to minus 8. It is equation number 1. Value of y 14, write 14 here, minus 8. X minus 14 3 is 42, minus 8. So x is equal to minus 8 plus 42. 12 minus 8, 4, 34. So value of x is 34 and y is 14. What is x? X is the present age of mother and y is present age of daughter. So we can write answer, present age of mother 34 years and present age of daughter, it is 14 years. This is answer. Present age of mother, that is x, 34 years. Present age of daughter is 14 years. So this is age related problem. Now we will take one more example based on boat and stream. See this problem related to boat and stream. I have taken one question here. A boat takes 2 hours to go 40 km distance down the stream and it returns in 4 hours. Find the speed of the boat in still water and the speed of the stream. We have to find the speed of boat and speed of stream. Here one word is there, down the stream. What is the meaning of down the stream? Down the stream means when boat moves in the direction of speed, we say it down the stream. But when boat moves in opposite direction of stream, means against the stream, we say it upstream. So down the stream and upstream. Down the stream means in the direction of current, water current, stream. Upstream means opposite direction of current. So when we will see boat is moving in the direction of stream, speed of boat will increase. But if the boat will move in the opposite direction of stream, its speed will decrease. So firstly we will suppose, let the speed of boat in still water be x km per hour and speed of stream or current and speed of stream be y km per hour. Speed of boat in still water x km per hour, speed of stream be y km per hour. So therefore speed of boat down the stream speed of boat down the stream. What will be speed of boat down the stream? We will add both speed, x plus y, because stream will push the boat in its own direction by y kilometer per hour. So we have to add both the speed, x plus y kilometer per hour. And speed of boat in upstream. Upstream means opposite direction of stream. It will be x minus y kilometer per hour. So when the boat moves in the direction of stream, we say it down the stream. In that case, speed of boat will be x plus y. We will add both the speed. But if boat moves in opposite direction of stream, that is upstream, then speed of boat will be x minus y kilometer per hour, because water current will decrease the speed of boat. Boat is moving in forward direction, water is coming in opposite direction, so it will decrease the speed of boat. So we have to write x minus y kilometer per hour. Now according to question, we have to make two linear equation in two variable. So a boat takes 2 hours to go 40 kilometer down the stream, right? Therefore, now time taken by boat to cover 40 kilometer down the stream. Time taken by boat to cover 40 kilometer down the stream. So what will be time? We know that time is equal to distance upon speed. Distance is 40 and down the stream speed is x plus y. So 40 upon x plus y. But according to question, this time is 2 hours. Boat takes 2 hours to go 40 km down the stream. So according to question, we will write 40 upon x plus y is equal to 2. You can cancel it, 2 1 ja 20 times. Cross multiply. So x plus y is equal to 20. It is equation number 1. Similarly, we will make another equation in x and y. It is given and it returns in 4 hours. Returns means in the opposite direction of stream. It goes down the stream, but it will return upstream, opposite direction of stream. So time taken by boat in returning. Time taken by boat in returning. In returning again, it will cover the same distance 40, but it is moving opposite direction of the stream, and opposite direction of the stream speed is x minus y. So distance upon speed, it will be time. But according to question, this time is 4 hours. So we will write according to question 40 upon x minus y, it is 4. 4 1 ja 4 10. Cross multiply, it will be x minus y is equal to 10. This is second equation. So first equation is x plus y 20, second equation x minus y is equal to 10. Now we will solve these two equations. To solve it, equation 1 plus 2. Equation 1 is x plus y is equal to 20. Equation 2, x minus y is equal to 10. Plus y minus y cancel, 2x is equal to 30. What will be x? 30 by 2 means 15. Put x is equal to 15 in first is x plus y. So 15 plus y is equal to 20. Transpose 15. Y is equal to 20 minus 15. 5. So value of x is 15 and value of y is 5. What was x? X was the speed of boat in still water and y is the speed of stream. So right answer. Therefore, speed of boat in still water, that is x, it is 15 km per hour, and speed of current, the speed of stream, it is y, 5 km per hour. Speed of boat 15, speed of stream 5 km per hour. So in case problem related to boat and stream, we have to firstly find speed of boat down the stream and speed of boat upstream. Down the stream means x plus y, speed of boat and speed of current. Upstream x minus y, speed of boat minus stream of current. So in this way we can solve the problem related to boat and stream. I hope that this explanation is clear to you. Okay, thank you class.